Thyme leaves benefits. Thyme belongs to the mint family and is a common kitchen spice. It's true that thyme is often used in cooking, but it has other applications as well. There are 400 different kinds of thyme. Thyme is light and fragrant herb that was used by the Egyptians for many purposes, including use in medicine and as an incense. Here are 9 benefits of thyme that you must know. Thyme as a pimple medicine. Thyme is quite famous in its use as a drug for acne and high blood pressure. If you've tried various acne medications without good results, then you're lucky to see this video. Thyme has antibacterial properties and is often used to fight acne. It can be made into a tincture by soaking it in liquid for days or weeks. UK researchers have found that thyme is more effective than anti-acne products when it comes to tackling acne. Thyme is still in the testing phase, but so far it seems promising. It's hard to say how effective thyme will be over time, but early indications are very positive. Thyme for low blood pressure. Thyme extract found in Pakistan and Afghanistan may reduce heart rate in mice due to high blood pressure and cholesterol levels in their bodies. A new study found that thyme extract could significantly reduce heart rate in mice due to high blood pressure and also able to reduce cholesterol levels in their bodies. One of the best ways to use thyme to lower your heart rate is to substitute it for salt in your cooking. Thyme to relieve coughing. Thyme tea can help with a cough, as thyme leaves are often used as natural cough medicines. In a recent study, the combination of thyme and ivy helped to reduce coughing and other symptoms related to acute bronchitis. So, if you're looking for some relief from a cough or sore throat, tea made with thyme leaves is the way to go. Thyme to increase immunity. Thyme is a great source for vitamin C and vitamin A, both of which are great to keep your immune system strong and fight infections. If you need a bit of help recovering from an illness or are feeling down tired, energy-boosting herb thyme can be perfect for giving yourself an energy boost after a long day. Thyme as a disinfectant. Mushrooms can be a general nuisance because they emit spores that can linger and be harmful to people with allergies and asthma. If you find one, soak it in thyme oil. Thyme is a common invasive plant species, and the most common pest-killing treatment is thyme oil. Research shows that it can be used as a disinfectant at home, where there are many fungi. Thyme to get rid of pests. Thyme is generally used to eradicate bacteria, viruses, and mice. A study showed that thyme extract could drive mosquitoes. Place thyme leaves between your hands and rub to release essential oils, or try making your own concoctions by mixing 4 drops of thyme oil for every teaspoon of olive oil with 2 drops of water. Thyme as a fragrance. Thyme is an ingredient found in many of today's natural skincare products and can be commonly found at cosmetic stores. It has antiseptic and antifungal properties that are used as mouthwash. It is also a natural ingredient that can be used as a deodorant, among other things. Thyme to improve the mood. Thyme oil can improve your mood and make you feel calm. A lot of people use thyme oil for its therapeutic properties. It contains an active substance called carvacrol, which is why it helps them feel better. A study in 2013 found that carvacrol is able to affect neuron activity, making users calmer on the inside. If you use thyme or thyme oil regularly, you'll notice there are feelings of warmth and even euphoria. The fragrance of these plants acts as a mood enhancer. Thyme as good food. All parts of the stem can be used as a complementary dish to meat or fish. Thyme is amazing for cooking, especially in dishes from France, Italy, and the Mediterranean. Thyme is the main ingredient in pesto sauce, which can be used as a spice or condiment. It is commonly paired with pasta and rice dishes, like zucchini noodles with pesto. Fresh leaves or all stalks can be used when cooking meat. If you're cooking a fish dish, you also might want to add some fresh thyme. That's 9 thyme benefits for health. It would be better if you planted thyme in your garden, so it's there when you need it. Thanks so much for watching this video. If you like it, please take a second to give it a thumbs up and share with your friends.